Hi everyone, today we are in Scamander on Tassie's east coast and I'm about to take you through the container, which is an eclectic designer's playground. Let's take a look. This is my type of playground. The interior of this container is so incredibly bougie. Obviously, you've already picked up on the black. There is a lot of it, but there are so many beautiful finishes, especially in this kitchen. For one, this deep green marble, that plays beautifully with that black in the cabinetry. These really unique handles as well. I love that gold finish. Even the plates. I mean, even the plates are fun. There's a little bit of crazy, there's a little bit of mad in here, but it just kind of works. There's literally nothing that's boring. As we move through that kitchen and breakfast bar, the floor transitions. So we come from that terrazzo tile into this very plush and cozy red maroon carpet. Brings us into this living area. Also, we've got a great fireplace here, which I think might need, another log. Now the bed is something else. Custom made, and also I'm gonna make it a little bit more cozy. How fun is that? I do really like that. Just look at the shadows that that's casting over the bed. Obviously, you completely block this out as well if you want more privacy. But it's just so playful. It's just so fun. So this was custom designed. So Dion, the owner and designer of this interior, created this bed. It existed in his head. He sent it to the builder and he had this made up. Fun fact, the carpet layer hated this job. He said it was very tricky to do, but I'm very happy they laid it with carpet because it is so incredibly comfortable. This is a perfect 45-degree angle, very cozy and very good spot to sit and enjoy that fire. Welcome to the bathroom. The bouginess continues. We have this terrazzo tile that we saw in the kitchen. We also have this great black gloss tile with this red grout. It's just fun. There's something retro but futuristic about this interior. We've got a great LED sort of lit, backlit mirror here. I love this basin. This was actually repurposed, found another site, and that pink plays beautifully against that black. And I can also spy outside a beautiful pink tub, which I need to take a look at. Yes, just all sorts of yes, guys. Absolutely. What's also great, now we're outside, we can see the detail of this beautiful slate crazy pave, again with this red grout. And to give you an indication about the creativity that went into this home, the colour of this red grout was actually colour matched against the colour of the red gum leaves that drop in this area. I love that touch. There's Tassie oak cladding, which has been stained to achieve a deeper, richer tone, and that continues as well on the inside. I'm going to open up that breakfast bar and get a little comfy. home is eclectic, but there also is a certain level of madness to it. But it is a considered madness, so it kind of just works. It's very confident in its choices, in its pairings, and I like the way it doesn't shy away from doing things just a little bit differently. And that all comes down to the detail. For example, the pendant lighting inside, it transitions. They're not all the same, they're all really unique. And I like the way it takes you on a bit of a journey as you transition through the home. The flooring detail, the way that signifies different areas, the terrazzo tile transitioning into that plush red maroon carpet. Also the slate crazy pavers with the red grout. It makes everything an experience, but it also tells a story as you walk throughout the home. The gold in the kitchen, that black smeg fridge, those handles, the plates, the placemats, everything is just fun. And like I said, nothing is boring. The add-on bathroom brings a whole nother element of fun as well. I really love the detail of that black gloss tile with that red grout. It's very masculine and heavy, and then that's paired with that soft retro pink of the basin, the black matte toilet, the organic shape of the mirror, even the playful elements, just those little touches of decor throughout that bathroom, and also the way it just opens up to nature and the fact that you are flanked by the bush on both sides. The exterior of this 40-foot container is clad in Shoyi Shugi Barn, that black charred timber cladding. And this home was designed by and belongs to Dion Agius, a professional surfer, a business owner, and all-round creative cat. And he actually likens the exterior of this home to a space odyssey monolith. But it's when you get a little bit closer to this home that it slowly reveals itself. You know, you see more color, you see more texture, and pattern comes out to play. You start to get a sense for that playfulness, especially through that crazy paving and also those details with those hand-blown lights that greet you at the door. But it's really once you come inside that it just is pattern overload and everything just completely changes what you imagine a container home to be. This home is set on a very private bush block and it actually has river access. And so it makes it much more than just this footprint that we are standing in right now. It does extend and it does welcome you into nature. And I think that's what I love a lot about this home, but I also love about Tassie because there's so many untouched places in Tasmania that really are so raw and so untouched that it makes homes like this so incredibly unique, and it makes this home in particular be all the more bougie when it's contrasted with just that raw, wild nature of the surroundings. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed this home tour. As always, let me know what you thought in the comments below and be sure to like and subscribe. We've got plenty more home tours coming your way.